Hi, I'm Sarah J from PaellaPans.com, and I'm going to show you a barbecue set that we have, very versatile for cooking paella and doing any other kind of barbecuing that you want to do. We have it on our website at PaellaPans.com. I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's super simple, great for cooking with family, friends, tailgating, wherever you want to cook outside. Okay, so I'm going to take out this grate. Turn this upside down. I put the legs in, very easy. Make sure that they're facing out. There's a little bit of a bend to them. Hammer them in tight and turn it over. Charcoal, wood, and do a live fire. If you want to get one of our burners, which gives you great control over the heat.